Show you a trade that we made this morning in our group. Really good trade. We've been changing things up just a little bit, trying to focus on 2 or 3 different strategies, and this one really works really well. I really like it. This is, I know a lot of people talk about the opening range breakout, and so what I've noticed, especially when trading NQ, is that you get chewed up. I mean, you really do, unless you're just a really good sniper, and I am not that type of a scalper to get in and get out like that. And so anyway, what I've been doing lately is that I will mark the 30-minute orb. And so I will mark the top, when the candle was made. This is the 5-minute candle that I'm looking at currently. Yeah, 5-minute. And so anyway, I will mark the top, I will mark the bottom down here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, which would have been this one, but this was the low of the day. So you can tell I marked it here and I marked here. And then I simply wait for either a breakout to the top side or to the bottom. Now, used to, I would simply wait for a breakout, like right here, and I would jump in. Well, what I've come to understand, that's just a horrible way to jump in, and I need more confirmation than that. And so what I have done is that I have a 9 EMA that runs along with this, but I've also changed the parameters on the backside to my specifications that will help me enter the trade. So what I do is, you notice that we went up, the 9 EMA was still way down here. It went up again and spiked up, and then it came back down, and 9 was still way down here. So there was some news that was going on, so giving us false signals to get in. And then finally, we broke free from the 30-minute orb right here. And then this is where I decided this was going to be an opportunity for me to get in. So what I did, I waited for the 9 EMA to come above. So therefore, it gave me a second confirmation that we were going to be going to the upside. So now I'm at this point just looking for my entry. So anyway, what my entry would have been, I was looking for something above the high of the day, which would have been this wick right here. So anyway, I waited, and then we touched back on the 9. The 9 is up in here. And so once we broke this wick right here is what I actually entered, knowing that I had confirmation with the 9, had this one, and we had broken the orb. So anyway, I'm looking for anywhere from 20 to 100 points. And so anyway, I entered the trade, you can tell right here, with 2 contracts. And then I just took it for about 25 points right up in here, something like that, and closed my trade. So anyway, I could technically still be in this trade because we haven't got any confirmation that it's still going to go down to the downside. And what that means and what that looks like is that it's going to close below the 9 EMA, and we haven't got that whatsoever. But anyway, when it started consolidating, I had my stop loss sitting right below this, and it stopped me out. And so anyway, entered 2 contracts here. But the interesting thing is I trade on 8 different accounts, and so anyway, today was just a very profitable day. So anyway, that's my orb strategy. It works for us, and it works very well. So anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, peace.